This is a short video to show you how to install the Rebel version 2 tune-up kit. For this, all you need is a drill with a 5mm hex bit or a 5mm Allen key. Using the driver, insert it in the wheel screw, undo, keep the wheel hub screw, flip the cleaner over and repeat. Undo the clip and remove the top cover. Remove the left drive kit and the right drive kit. To assemble the right drive kit, put a bearing over the shaft. Now take note, they can only go on one way. If they're hard to fit, it's the wrong way. Insert the right drive kit. Take note, the long shaft is pointing outwards towards the wheel. To assemble the left drive kit, take the bearing and reversing mechanism and put the long side of the drive shaft through the bearing. Now grab the springs and just place them in the sockets. Now insert the new left drive kit. Now put the cover back on. Now put the new wheels on. Insert the wheel screw through the hub and line it up with the brass socket on the cleaner. Start it off by hand and then finish with the driver or Allen key until tight. Flip it over and do the same with the other wheel. And there you have it.